Hi, it's Joella Milan, licensed esthetician, and I'm going to give you a tip on one of the very best hyaluronic acids that you can purchase today, and that is by Cyan. I've sold this for about 10 years, and I love this. It's so pure, first of all, and it's so different than other hyaluronic acids. This one has like the thing I like about it is like it has a thickness to it. So many hyaluronic acids are real thin, like water. This one's thicker. So when you put it on the skin, it's like a filler. You know, that's what hyaluronic acid does. It plumps the skin and it fills in the wrinkles. And that's what this does. It just gives your skin a really nice, hydrated moisture to it. And you can do it on clean skin. That's what the directions say. Clean skin, you know, clean your skin and apply that. But I find with this, I can use it. What I like to do is I clean my face and then I'll put on my serums and whatever else I'm doing. And then I'll put this on top of it. And it's so nice. It's also great under your makeup, you know, under your eyes and the places that you want to have more of a smoothness to your skin. So it's perfect for that. But when it says pure hyaluronic acid, that is because it's pure. It doesn't have a lot of other things in it. It's just so wonderful. And my clients that use it love it. And it's one of those products that you buy over and over again. So if you have any questions, please either you can call me on my toll-free number or send me an email. And I always have great prices for my clients on my website. And I'm really happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.